Learn Hindi legal and office vocabulary. Regulation to objection with.
विनियमन,
And.
आपत्ति,
Welcome to the office of mild chaos. Hey, you are about to learn some seriously useful Hindi words in a not so serious way. Welcome to the only office where a cat runs compliance and nobody has read the memo. Picture this. You walk into an office where the coffee machine has issued a new.
विनियमन,
The wall has a giant safety.
दिशा निर्देश,
And an intern is showing everyone a report.
नमूना,
As if it were a sacred treasure. On the desk sits the latest.
संस्करण,
Of the company handbook. Meanwhile, one manager proudly says, "This is my."
जिम्मेदारी,
While another whispers, "Please do not mention legal."
दायित्व,
Quote. In the corner, a lawyer jumps up every 3 minutes shouting.
आपत्ति,
And somehow, through all this nonsense, your
निर्धारण,
helps you keep learning. Your word mission today. You do not need to memorize everything at once. Just listen, laugh a little, and repeat when you can. Regulation equals.
विनियमन,
Guideline equals.
दिशा निर्देश,
Determination equals.
निर्धारण,
Template equals.
नमूना,
Addition equals.
संस्करण,
Responsibility equals.
जिम्मेदारी,
Liability equals.
दायित्व,
Objection equals.
आपत्ति,
Mini story at desk number 7. Now let's turn the vocabulary into a ridiculous little story. If your brain likes stories, this part will help a lot. At desk number 7, the new employee Ravi receives a folder. On the front it says, Company.
विनियमन,
Inside, there is a bright yellow page titled.
दिशा निर्देश,
Ravi sighs because he thought office life would be about snacks, not rules. Then his boss says, "Do not panic. Here is a report.
नमूना,
Just copy the structure." Ravi smiles. Suddenly, hope returns. He opens the newest
संस्करण,
of the handbook and mutters, "Fine, I can do this." His teammate says, "This project is your."
जिम्मेदारी,
Now. Ravi almost drops his tea. "My what?" "Your."
जिम्मेदारी,
She repeats. "And if you break the printer again, there may be."
दायित्व,
Quote. At that exact moment, the office lawyer bursts in and yells.
आपत्ति,
Nobody touches the printer without permission. Ravi takes a deep breath. With pure.
निर्धारण,
He reads the rules, follows the guide, uses the template, and survives until lunch. Say it with me. Here comes your spoken practice. Repeat each Hindi word after the English cue, nice and steadily. Regulation.
विनियमन,
Guideline.
दिशा निर्देश,
Determination.
निर्धारण,
Template.
नमूना,
Addition.
संस्करण,
Responsibility.
जिम्मेदारी,
Liability.
दायित्व,
Objection.
आपत्ति,
Useful lines you can actually remember. Let's put the words into short sentences. These are formal words, but the examples will keep things human. The new regulation affects all companies. In Hindi, the key word is.
विनियमन,
Please follow the guideline carefully. The key Hindi word is.
दिशा निर्देश,
Her determination helped her continue. That determination is.
निर्धारण,
Use the template before writing your own version. Template is.
नमूना,
This is the latest edition of the book. Addition is.
संस्करण,
This task is my responsibility. Responsibility is.
जिम्मेदारी,
The company accepted liability for the damage. Liability is.
दायित्व,
The lawyer raised an objection. Objection is.
आपत्ति,
Tiny dialogue, big drama. Now enjoy a short dialogue. It sounds like a legal thriller, but honestly it is mostly about a broken office printer. Manager. Who changed the printer settings? Intern. Not me. I only followed the.
दिशा निर्देश,
Manager. Then who ignored the.
विनियमन,
Designer. I was busy updating the cover for the new.
संस्करण.
Intern. I used the old.
नमूना.
Was that wrong? Lawyer.
आपत्ति.
The real issue is.
दायित्व.
Manager. Fine. Whose?
जिम्मेदारी.
Was this? Ravi. With enough.
निर्धारण.
Maybe we can fix it before the boss arrives. Boss. Entering dramatically. Why is the printer wearing a tie? Quick memory tricks. Here are fast hooks for your memory. They are silly on purpose because silly tends to stick. Think of.
विनियमन.
As a strict sign with a raised finger. Regulation. Think of.
दिशानिर्देश.
As arrows plus instructions. Guideline. Think of.
निर्धारण.
As clenched fist energy. Determination. Think of.
नमूना.
As a blank model page. Template. Think of.
संस्करण.
As the newest shiny print. Edition. Think of.
जिम्मेदारी.
As a backpack you agree to carry. Responsibility. Think of.
दायित्व.
As the legal backpack with bricks inside. Liability. Think of.
आपत्ति.
As a red stop light in speech. Objection. Quiz time. No panic. You are doing great. Answer in your head or out loud, and if you get one wrong, congratulations, your brain just found what to practice. What is the Hindi word for regulation?
विनियमन.
What is the Hindi word for guideline?
दिशानिर्देश.
What is the Hindi word for determination?
निर्धारण.
What is the Hindi word for template?
नमूना.
What is the Hindi word for edition?
संस्करण.
What is the Hindi word for responsibility?
जिम्मेदारी.
What is the Hindi word for liability?
दायित्व.
What is the Hindi word for objection?
आपत्ति.
Final challenge. Let's finish strong. I will give you a situation, and you mentally grab the right Hindi word. A company publishes a formal new rule. You want.
विनियमन.
A school posts instructions for safe behavior. You want.
दिशानिर्देश.
A runner refuses to give up. You want.
निर्धारण.
You need a model document before writing your own. You want.
नमूना.
You buy the newest version of a book. You want.
संस्करण.
A task belongs to you. You want.
जिम्मेदारी.
A company may be legally responsible for damage. You want.
दायित्व.
A lawyer interrupts in court. You want.
आपत्ति.
You survived the paperwork. Nice work. You just learned a powerful set of formal Hindi words without being buried under a mountain of imaginary office files. Today you practiced.
विनियमन. दिशानिर्देश. निर्धारण. नमूना. संस्करण. जिम्मेदारी. दायित्व.
And.
आपत्ति.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the words out loud, and come back to them tomorrow so they stay in your memory and do not escape like that suspicious office printer.